What's up, guys? So in this video, we're gonna be talking about how to make 20,000 plus a month from TikTok with your credit repair business. So if you can look at the screen right now, you can see $359,000, $578 was made strictly with credit repair, not including affiliate marketing from my credit repair business, not including funding clients from my credit repair business. So we was able to do this with these 4 steps inside our credit repair business last year. So if you follow these steps, you should be able to go out here and produce something similar or even more than what I got on the screen right now. Let's dive right in and not waste no more time. So the first thing, ad campaign. You need to have an ad set up to where you are getting attention that you need from your ideal client. We was working with business owners was our ideal client that we was strategically looking for. Now, we had other people trickle in, but our ideal client was business owners that was looking to get more funding. And a lot of them couldn't get it because they didn't have the credit that they needed. But if you take this ad framework and put this with your ideal client, you should be able to produce a good ad that will allow you to get the right people coming to your page every single day. Let's talk about the ad script. And so it's 6 things that you need to look out for in creating your ad. So you need to have an opening hook. You need to have client success stories. You need to be tackling the past failure. So identifying what's going on inside that client's mind, in their situations, in their life. You know what I'm saying? Identifying the past failure. Then you need to reveal some results that you have created for your other clients just to let them know. Then you need to make a big claim to let them know that you can get this done. Then you add in a call to action. So you tell them what to do next if they want to reach out and get information from you. We got different examples right here. If you want to check out the ad, all you got to do is click on my TikTok and I have it pop up right here. Click on my TikTok to where you can go and see the ads that we ran. So you can read this and screenshot this to kind of give you an example of what type of ad you need to run, but you just need to map it out and follow this template. All right. And so that's step number 1, having that ad campaign. Now, step number 2, you need to have a credit authority funnel. So they hear what you're saying, but now they got to know, like, and trust you. And so you can do that with your TikTok. All you got to do is educate and create awareness, intent, and engaging content. So with that being said, so you need to educate your client. You need to let them know that you are the person that can help them. You know what you're talking about. You need to educate and create awareness to let them know, like, hey, if struggling with this or you think there's no way out, it is a way out. All you got to do is, follow me, do these things, give them information, give all your information away. And so they can come to you to help them implement what you're telling them to do. What this do? Once you create that content to educate them and create that awareness and that intent and that engagement content, it's going to warm them up. It's going to warm them up so much to where they like, man, I need to work with this guy I seen, or I need to work with this girl I seen, And so while you're doing that, that's warming them up in that process. Then you can run retargeting ads. So now you got the ad that's already running saying, hey, follow me here, or hey, book a call with me here. Then you can run the retargeting ad with this content. So you can make sure that they see it, because on TikTok, only a certain percentage is going to see the content that you're posting that's following you. But the retargeting ads is going to make sure that percentage that's not seeing you, that they be able to see you again. And so we ran retargeting ads for educational content, just educating people, letting them know, just giving them tips, just helping them out. And we ran retargeting ads with that. And then those people that were seeing the ads, they just reached back out to us. And so what did this solve? This solved the traffic, and then now you got the upper hand. And so the traffic and the upper hand is like, now I got the traffic and I got the upper hand on, I'm the person that they're going to come to if they need a problem solved, which they following you really because they need a problem solved, but they don't know, like, and trust you yet. And so your content is going to warm them up until you get the upper hand and say, like, hey, okay, I'm going to deal with that guy as soon as I'm ready to start dealing with that guy. Now, that brings in consistent lead, they quality leads. So these quality leads that's coming in, and then you got consistent volume that's coming in, and you got an offer that stands out. So the offer is super, super important. And so just say we was helping business owners. And so we was giving them educational content on why they need to use what we was trying to sell them, helping them out in the way of where they can see results instantly even without us. And then we had an offer that was saying, if you come to us, we'll do this, this, and that. to make sure you get to your desired outcome. If not, we won't work with you, or we'll give you money back or whatever. We just had an offer to where it was just irresistible. And so they said yes. Once people say yes to your offer, now you got a process in place. And so then you can scale like crazy. And so that's exactly why I got that there, because that's what we decided to do. Once we warmed up the audience and they knew exactly what the offer was, they knew exactly that we knew what we was talking about. They seen results from other people. We was educating them. It was no way that they could just say no to us if they had a problem. That was the second step. We just had to warm them up and get them to know, like, and trust us. Of course, we not on there every day saying, hey, buy this product, buy this product, buy this product. We not doing that. And a lot of y'all out here doing that, and that's why people not buying from you. So we just helping them out, educating them, and pretty much making them the right client that we want. So we creating our ideal client through setting them up with the education, setting them up with the beliefs of the clients that we need. So we need a business owner to know, if you get your credit fixed, we'll be able to go out here and help you get a lot more funding through that. And then now you can blow up your business. You can grow your business like crazy because now you got funds to manage it better, And so, but we wasn't selling them that. We was just selling them the idea of how to go out here and do that. And so number 3, now we got to book the calls. So now they liking, knowing, and trusting us. But now we got to ask for the sale. We got to ask for them to book a call. So what we did, 2-step post, DM post, or a comment post. And so just like you can see on the screen right here, you see people saying, what's the cost? I'm ready. I need help. I'm in. So happy I signed up with you guys. So people were signing up. I'm ready. So these people were signing up with us just because we had built this system to where they can start knowing, liking, and trusting us. And so then we had posters saying like, hey, we'll educate them, and then we'll have a call to action saying, DM us or comment this up under the post, and then we'll reach out to you. That's what we use to send them to our book a call funnel. And then our book a call funnel on TikTok is a little crazy, so we had to put the link in the bio. So we was just telling people, go to the link in the bio. Now we was able to make more sales. We was able to make more sales by them going to the bio and booking a call. And so that's what you see right here. And then we just had an ideal bio, credit repair, 0% business, credit funding, need help, click below. So they'll click this and go straight to the book a call page. And then, we was able to get them on the phone. So that's number 3. That's the third step in the process. But now, how do we sell them in the process? So number 1, we was pre-selling. We was pre-selling before they even got on the phone. We made them watch a video before they even got on the phone. We had testimonials shown to them before they even got on the phone. So now, before they get on the phone, they already like, man, okay, these people know exactly what they're talking about. So when I get on the phone, I know I'm going to either buy from them or I'm not even going to get on the phone. So it's like the people that we had on the phone, we had a high 60 to 70% closing rate with those clients, those prospects, because we was already pre-selling them. Another thing we did, and this is a tip, every time we had a booked appointment, we had somebody call them, appointment seller call them within 5 minutes just to qualify them. Like, hey, we see you booked an appointment. We just want to make sure that, this is a great time for you. Can we ask you a few questions? And then we ask them a few questions just to make sure that they understand once we get on the phone that we can help them, but also that they ready to buy. So we had the appointment set up for the 5-minute speed to lead. So as soon as the lead come in, the 5 minutes they'll call them. But then we also had them for the follow-ups if they didn't get on the phone or if we didn't sell them. That's a little quick tip of how we did the appointment setup. When we were selling these people, we also had a PDF. So in our sales process, we already got a breakdown of what exactly that we offer, what we do. So after we get on the phone with the people or after we have a sales call, we just let them know like, hey, I'm gonna send over the PDFs just so you can have a visual of what exactly we just talked about. If you got any questions, just ask me then. But that's why we on the phone with them. And so now we had the conversation, we sent them the PDF, they see everything, and it's just like, now I'm ready to go. And so after they saw the PDF, they was ready to close the sale. They ready to get started. And so that same process allowed us to go in and just crush it. We was getting like I said, 60 to 70% on our sales calls from our closer. And so we was able to do that all with this 4-step process. And this 4-step process is what everybody is doing. So if you go on TikTok and you see the big gurus and the other people out here, they posting the content, they probably got ads running, you see the call to actions they doing. They not telling you not to buy from them. They telling you to comment this, do that, certain things. So they asking for the sale. And then they have a unique selling process to where it's like you gotta buy. They pre-selling you before you even get on the phone with them. If you take this 4-step process, you should be able to go out here and get results exactly like I'm telling you right now. So if you got any questions about this process, message me on Instagram and I'll get back to you and let you know exactly how I can help you out, or you can comment below. But if you got any value from this video, like it, share it, subscribe, all the YouTube stuff. I'm out.